Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money on this platform. Okay, so this platform is actually a freelance platform, but trust me, even if you don't have a skill, you still can be making money on this platform. Okay, so basically what you're going to be doing on this platform is a transcription job. Okay, you're going to do some transcription jobs and you're going to be making money for yourself on this platform. Okay, although there are some other jobs you can perform and still make money on this platform. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through the process of how you can get all this done. Okay, so right here you can see variety of jobs. You can see work from anywhere, get paid on time. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down and then tell you more about this platform before I show you through the sign up process. Okay, so right here you can see wide range of jobs range from transcription and voice recording to translation content into different languages. Work as per your preference. Okay, so you can see, let me just scroll down and then read more about this platform so you guys can have more idea on how this platform works. Okay, so here you can see work from anywhere, anytime, work from any corner of the world and at your own schedule. Okay, all you need is computer and a reliable internet connection. Trust me, you can actually use your smartphone as well. And one sweet thing about this website is it's actually worldwide. Okay, from anywhere you're watching this video from, you can just sign up on this platform and start making money for yourself. Okay, but don't click off this video because I'm going to show you through the sign up process and how you can start getting jobs for yourself. Okay, so right here you can see get paid on time every time. Payments are made weekly on all completed tasks. They are deposited directly into your PayPal or Pioneer account. Okay, so right here you can see they actually pay in PayPal or Pioneer account. Okay, so if you don't have any of these accounts, you can check more of my videos. I've actually made videos on how to create a PayPal account and how to create Pioneer account. Okay, so once you just check, you're gonna see the videos and then watch and learn how to create any of those accounts for yourself. Okay, so right here you can see gain experience and earn more. Okay, so if you become an expert on this website, you can start gaining more money for yourself. Okay, you can see as you gain experience on our platform, higher paying jobs will be available. You can even take on senior roles to even earn more. Okay, so like I said earlier, become an expert on this platform, you're gonna start making more money than usual. Okay, so you can see right here, jobs for you, start with a task you are good at. Okay, so when you're signing up, they're gonna ask you, okay, I'm gonna just take you through that process so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so right here you can see the jobs that are available. You can see audio transcription, transcribe speech into text for a wide range of industries. Okay, when you do this, you get paid for it. Okay, so right here you can see this is segmentation. You can see annotate audio into different segments for machine learning. Okay, this is the second options right here you can use to make money. And right here, this is voice recording. Okay, you can see record phrase in various languages to train speech tech. Okay, so this is another option right here, which is translate source language into multiple other languages. Okay, so guys, you can see this website is actually cool, and trust me, even your native language is available on this website. Okay, so it doesn't really matter any country you're watching this video from. Okay, so these are the process you're going to pass through before you start earning on this platform. Okay, so first thing first, you have to sign up. Okay, so after signing up, you have to pass through an assessment. You can see right here it's a short test and a quiz will help us evaluate your language skill. Okay, this is just to test your ability in any language you sign up for. Okay, so the third step right here is a training. They're going to provide a training for you, and once you're done with that, okay, you're gonna just go to the next step, which is start working. Okay, you can see right here begin working from home on available projects. Okay, so right here after working you get paid, and trust me, this platform pays weekly. Okay, they pay every Friday. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna scroll down and then read through the frequently asked questions, so you can, I know some question might have been rolling on your mind and you would want to get answers. Okay, so I'm just going to check on the frequently asked questions right here so you can get answers to those questions that are rolling on your mind. Okay, but before then, I'll say, if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell. Okay, because we're on our way to 1K subscribers. So guys, I really need your help. Okay, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, and make sure you share this video with your friend who needs to make money online. Okay, so right here I'm just going to scroll down and then take you through this process right now. So you can see right here frequently asked questions about becoming an audio B worker. Okay, so right here you can see is Audio.B a good fit for me? Okay, so let me just read through it. If you enjoy freelancing and you are looking for a flexible job with good pay, Audio.B gives you all the tools you need to excel and enjoy your work from the comfort of your home. Okay, so you can read through this. Okay, you can see this platform is actually cool. You can work from home and you have to choose your own time. Nobody is going to tell you when to start work or when to stop work. Okay, so right here you can see what kind of work will I be doing. Okay, so here let me just read this carefully so you can understand more about this platform. You can see we currently offer a variety of AI/ML data training jobs such as translation, transcription, segmentation, annotation, and voice recording. You can choose one or more depending on the training courses you complete. Okay, and after signing up they're going to give you a training course that you have to go through to understand how all this works. Okay, so right here you can see this is another question: do I need to work at a scheduled time? You can see, let's see what they say here. You can work at your convenience in multiple sessions. There are no scheduled time restrictions. However, some jobs will have deadlines that you will have to meet. Okay, so that one is well explained. Let's check on the next question. So right here you can see how is working at Audio.B different from other online jobs. Okay, you can see unlike other faceless crowd management companies, we value and manage our workers. Those who prove themselves reliable with task deadline can earn more as well as receive advanced career opportunities with full-time roles. Okay, so these are how they promote their workers. Okay, those workers that are reliable, those of them that has completed tasks and all that. Okay, so right here you can see how and when will I be paid. I know most of you must have been waiting to hear this. Okay, so let me read through it and then you see how you get paid. Okay, we release payments once a week on completed and verified tasks. You receive payments through PayPal or Payoneer, and in some cases we offer local payouts too. Okay, you can see right here the payment procedure is very clear. Okay, so right here you can see how do I apply. You can apply by signing up on Audio.B work platform. Simply click on the sign up button on this page to proceed. Okay, so right here you can see, I believe you now have a better experience on how this platform works. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is to just click on become a freelancer. Okay, so once you click on this, it's going to direct you to a page where you're going to sign up. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it right now. And if you're finding value in this video, guys, if you're finding value in this video, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, hit that like button and go on the comment section below, comment make money online. Okay, just go comment make money online. Okay, so right here this is the sign up page. Okay, so what you want to do right now is to just put in your first name here, put in your last name, put in your email address right here, your native language. Okay, you're gonna click on this drop down button. Let me circle it so you can see this drop down button right here. Okay, so once you click on it, that is where you're gonna select the language that you best understand. Okay, so let me type in my tribal language right now, which is Igbo. So let me just type in Igbo language and see if it's gonna show up. Okay, you can see it right here. You can see right here, this is Igbo language Nigeria. Okay, you can see it here. So in case you are Yoruba, you can type in Yoruba language and they're gonna be bringing jobs for you in your language. Okay, so here you can see, let me type in Pidgin, P-I-D-G. Okay, right here you can see this is Nigerian Pidgin English. Okay, so you can see, trust me, no matter the country you're from, once you type in the language you best understand, is just gonna show up right here and then you apply for it. Okay, so right here once you finish selecting that, you're just gonna scroll down here and then select the type of job you want to be doing in that your language. Okay, so you're just gonna leave this as voice recording. Okay, you can as well select more other options. Okay, so you can just create a password and then confirm your password and click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on this sign up, they're gonna send you an email. Okay, so you're just gonna go on your email and then you confirm the email. I already have an account with this guy, so I'm just gonna log in. Okay guys, once you finish signing up, this is what your dashboard is gonna look like. Okay, that is if the language you apply for has more freelancers. Okay, if they have more freelancers, then you're gonna just get a message like this. Okay, then trust me, this is what you want to do. Okay, you can actually select more than one languages. You can select up to 10 languages. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna just click on this three dash right here. Okay, so once you click on this three dash, you're just gonna click on this drop down button. Let me circle it so you can see clearly. Okay, so once you click on this drop down button, you're gonna see option to select more languages. Okay, so right here you can just go click on my language. Okay, so once you click on that, it's gonna load, and then you're just gonna see this option right here. Okay, yeah, you can see, just click on this drop down button and you're gonna see how you can select more languages for yourself. Okay, so if you select more languages, it's possible, and okay, it's if you select more languages, it is possible for you to start getting jobs immediately. Okay, because jobs from other languages will come if you don't have a job for, maybe, okay, let me say you select about 10 languages. Maybe you select English, you select Yoruba, you select Pidgin, you select Igbo, Hausa, and okay, other languages. So once you don't have a job on English, you can get a job for Pidgin. If you don't have a job for Pidgin, you can get a job for Igbo. But make sure it is a language you do understand. Okay, so I'm just going to search for more languages right now, and I'm going to select and then update my, okay, so you can see right here, you can select up to 10 languages. You can see it is clearly written here. Okay, so if you understand up to 10 languages, just select it. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna type in Igbo. Okay, you can see Igbo Nigeria. I'm gonna search again. Okay, click on add. Okay, so right here I just selected English United States, and then you click on this drop down button and select any of these options. Okay, so once you select, you just click on add. Okay, so once you click on add, it's gonna show up below right here. You can see before it was one language, but now you can see this is Nigeria Pidgin, this is Igbo Nigeria, this is Yoruba, this is English. Okay, so you can as well add more languages. Even if you understand other languages that are not Nigerian language, you can still add them. Okay, so once you just finish that, you just click on update. Okay, so once you click on update, you're gonna see okay, you can see it has been updated. Okay, now we now have more than one language on my dashboard, and I have more than one language on my dashboard. Okay, also you need to click on this drop down button once again, and then scroll down and select this option which is showing select tax. Okay, so once you click on select tax, you just need to indicate that you can work on more jobs than just transcription. Okay, so you're just going to check this, you're going to check translation, and then this, although you have right to choose any one you want. Okay, so right here I'm just going to choose the three of them. Okay, and once you choose that, you're just going to click on update. Okay, so that you can actually be getting job quickly. Okay, so that is why urging you to do all this. Okay, because if you do all this, you're going to start getting job quickly, and once you complete your job, trust me, you're going to get paid. Okay? So guys, make sure you try out this website. Okay, try out this website. Okay, I've seen a lot of testimonials about this website online, and you can go on Trustpilot to check for yourself. Okay, there are lots of reviews about this website. Okay, so guys, if you find value in this video, make sure you like it and make sure you share with your friends as well. Okay, and if you're new on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop more videos, you can get notified by YouTube. You can just watch, start making for yourself. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.